Welcome back to my another video. Have you ever wondered how apps like Instagram or YouTube talk to each other and share data instantly? The secret behind this communication is called API. Today in this video, I will explain API in the simplest way possible with real life examples and YouTube API demonstration. Let's get started. First, API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Don't worry about the big technical name. Think of API as a messenger between two applications, just like a waiter takes your food order to the kitchen and brings back your food. An API takes request from one application to another, return the response. Suppose when you log in using Google account on another app, APIs are working. When apps show live weather data, APIs are working. When website shows YouTube videos directly, APIs are working. Now let's understand YouTube API. The YouTube API helps developer connect their application with YouTube features. Using YouTube API, developers can search video, upload videos, show subscriber counts, display comments, access channel information. For example, if I create my own video app and want to show YouTube videos inside it, I can use the YouTube API to get those videos directly from YouTube server. So this is all about API. This is how APIs work behind almost every modern application we use daily. API is basically the communication bridge of the digital world. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech explanation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.